Hello, hello, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon and sharing the Recipe Keeper paper collection. So this is the printed 12 by 12 paper pack. For those of you who picked up the tutorial, only you get the digital paper collection for free, guys, for free during National Scrapbook Day. For those of you who picked up the full kit, you will receive the printed paper packs along with all of the goodies that I used to create the project from start to finish. This paper collection is gorgeous. It's a little bit dark in this video. I mean, look at my hands. So that should tell you I have lots of overhead lighting. So it tends to be a little bit darker, but still nonetheless, it is gorgeous even with the darker hues in the video. Look at this. So there's so much to see. There's embellishments, all sorts of goodies, pocket cards, sentiments, everything that we need in a paper collection to make the project absolutely stunning. Now, did I tell you what we are making? We are making the Recipe Keeper. It is a journal style recipe book. All right. Did I tell you that the recipe cards are 8.5 by 11? Look at this. Look at all of the room that we're going to have for our recipes. You can add to this. This is not something that you're going to complete all at once. You can add over time. You get all of the categories for this project: breakfast, lunch, dinner. I also included casseroles. I included Christmas. I included Thanksgiving because we all have, not all of us, but most of us have menus for Thanksgiving, for Christmas. I also included a cookie category, appetizers, desserts. So all of the good things. Sorry for the shaky camera. You also get a conversion chart. You get a grocery list. Just so many beautiful things. For those of you who got the full kit, remember, you get everything, including these 11 by 17 pages to create your actual book. And I cannot wait to share the book with you. It's not completely finished, so I don't want to show you bits and pieces of it. I want to show it to you completely done. So I'm just waiting on a few things, and I cannot wait for everything to show up, because let me tell you, if you're thinking about making this for someone else, you're not. You are going to keep it because it is that fabulous. All right. I cannot wait to share this project with you all on National Scrapbook Day. It's stunning. It's called the Recipe Keeper. If you'd like a link to the tutorial only that includes a free paper collection, I'll leave that down below. In that link, you will also have the option to purchase the full kit if you so desire. Those are limited, guys. I do not make a lot of kits because I'm a one man band, whatever it's called. So I make this stuff myself. My niece is helping me now, but I don't make a lot of kits, but I do give you full supply lists so that you can get what I use if you'd like to pick up items on your own. If you want me to box it all up and have it delivered to your house, I can do that as well. But you want to get in on the kits pronto, all right? Very, very quickly, because they do sell out. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, the Recipe Keeper. You don't want to miss out on this one.